Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to Top 5 Best One. In this video, we're gonna talk about new super tech gadgets and inventions of 2021. So, hit subscribe button, smash like button. Number 5. Chill-O-Matic Instant Beverage. In need for some ice cold drinks fast, the Chill-O-Matic will take any 20-ounce can of soda or beer from room temperature to ice cold in just 60 seconds, making it 250 times faster than a refrigerator. It will not cause any freeze or foam. Number 4. Sterilizer Water Rocket Kit. Easy to assemble metal water rocket launcher with a 125 psi safety valve. Rocket will not fly stand without any aerodynamic noise. Conmate for a second soda bottle can use only one cup. Number 3. Turbine Torcher. Ultra powerful blue frame torture with a 3 setting based on immediately. The strongest immediately can heat up and go through metal. Later full metal casing is made up of high quality zinc alloy. The powerful touch jet flames easily against any breeze. Number 2. Pentagon Tools. 12 inches x 60 inches solid steel plate X large, not the 8 inches you can elsewhere. 3-inch premium bulk purchasing customers. One person can easily handle and move a 3-ton vehicle. Minor assembly is required. Install a 3-inch ball bearing wheels. Number 1. Hagner Hitch Mat Black. Structurally durable, the mountain auto step designed for use with SUV and RVs in light truck in green for working on engines, changing wipes, blades, cleaning, assemble sports and packing roof, rake on tall vehicles. Adjust to the 3 positions in the both width and height. Entire unit is finished in black powered coating. Thanks for watching. If you want to buy any product, link in description. Buy the product and enjoy. And let me know in the comment box which product you like most. Thanks for watching.